Welcome to another episode of wozz, and today we're getting the Techno dirty. That's right, we're getting the cobwebs off it. First ride, we're going to have a run round in these beautiful woodlands and see how we go. First impressions of riding it, believe it or not, I can ride that and turn it better than I can my modern gas. Don't know what's going on there. It's a 98 model Techno. It's just so nice to ride. I can't explain to you how smooth, how powerful and how at home I feel on the bike. I would have thought it was going to be an absolute pig with old brakes. So the brakes aren't the best, but they do need bedding in. So I'm hoping once they've bedded in, the brakes will be a lot tougher than what they are at the minute. They're a bit spongy at the minute. Things I'm happy with. This bike has been an absolute joy to work on. It is such an easy bike to mess with. There's nothing too dramatic with it really. It was all reasonably straightforward. It's all serviceable stuff that I've done on it. The tyres were good to start with, so that saved me a bit of money. We did some engine work there on it, and the engine runs sweet as a nut. I'm so happy with it. It all just flows so nice. I wasn't expecting that, so I highly recommend if anyone's thinking of getting an old trials bike, you can't far go wrong with a Beta Techno of any year really. I really looked out getting this. It's a belting bike to ride, and I'll definitely be doing some trials on it. As you can hear, we've got lads in the background practicing, so can't do much about that. Yeah, absolutely made up with it. You can still get all the parts for it. There's loads of places that do the parts. The stickers are all right. They're not the best quality because they're not the original Beta ones, so they're a bit thinner, which it's not going to be good for when you're washing with a jet wash. I'm going to have to be very careful with it. But other than that, yeah, he's getting on all right there, isn't he? Yeah, he's doing all right. Other than that, really happy with it. Can't really complain. I'm really enjoying riding it. There's a few marks on the front mudguard. I should have really painted the front mudguard before putting the stickers on. There's a couple of marks on the back mudguard, but overall they're in reasonably good condition. So I didn't want to paint them all, because if the bike's absolutely pristine, like it's just left the factory, if it was like that, I'm not going to want to ride it. I wouldn't be out here today because I'd be scared to using it. So it's gone right. It looks good and clean, and there's a few marks here and there, so I can use it. I feel safe using it, knowing I'm not going to make too much of a mess of it, hopefully. There's not a massive amount I'm really upset with. The rear subframe is been broken and re-welded by the previous owner, so the holes don't line up properly for the rear mudguard, the silencer. So at some point I'm going to eventually get hold of a rear subframe. I'll replace that, and then that's that sorted. Other thing, and it's dead picky, this is the bike only came with one swing arm protector. The other side's missing, if you haven't seen that. So I am on the hunt, if anyone knows, for swing arm protector for the other side, so I can match that up. Other than that, that's pretty much it. There's not a lot I'm really unhappy with on the bike. I just need to bed it in. The brakes just need to be a little bit stronger than what they are at the minute, but everything's brand new. Everything needs running in. That's enough for me waffling on rubbish. Let's well, we've got the nice weather and we've got the nice the nice track to do, we'll go and give it a run up the hills, and I'll take you with me, see what happens. See you in a bit. Right guys, thanks for watching. Well, that's that one done. I'd call that a successful first ride on the bike. Absolutely loved it. It's been a cracking day. I'm going to get it home now and get it all clean and put away, and I will see you on the next one. Hope you've enjoyed it. Be seeing you. What? Like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I always forget that bit. And I'll see you on the next one. Be seeing you. I can edit that somehow.